I'm with James Fielding. James, really good game by you, really good game by team, but maybe little unlucky finish.
I mean, yeah, we knew coming in there was a good team. We just wanted to fight. We didn't want to be like last home game in EuroLeague and lose by 30 or whatever we lost by. We wanted to fight, and we showed it tonight. It was a game to prepare for Monday, but he made a tough shot, man. Dobrić is one of the best defenders on our team, and we left it into his hands. We should have wanted to double him or something, but it's something we learned from.
It's hard to play against a young player like him, but he's like in 30, you know.
I mean, I played against him a long time. I played in ACB for a while, and then 2 years at Panathinaikos, so I know him. He's always played well. He has really good size. He's a good player. He's smart. So hopefully he's #1 pick, and I'll be happy for him.
There is Monday and Modern Bar.
Yeah,
most important game.
Most important. This is the most important game. Like, we have to forget about this. It's gonna hurt for a couple hours, but we have to go to sleep with open mind and be ready for Mornar. We start tomorrow preparing, and for sure, if we play like this, like tonight, we're gonna win.
Wish you best luck, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.